Here I'm going to show basics Java review. This is for very beginner. Okay, at first, this is a Linux environment. I will show mostly in Linux and later maybe in Eclipse. At first, we have to create a file. Let's say to create a file, we use the touch command, touch file name, any file name we can use. So let's say I'm going to create a class car, extension jar.java. Okay, now we have to code here car Java. So this is, I'm creating a file. Okay, this should be the class name. When you create a file in Java, you have to class name same, and this is class body. Right, then we have to use public static void main is the method, and here is the method body. For beginner, class has a body, start from here, this curly bracket and in here, and main is the method and it starts from here, and it's there. Okay, this is the main method body. Here we have to use a string. This is a syntax. As I said, this line right now for beginner you do not need to understand. I will explain later. I'm just showing how to write a Java file, compile and run. Okay, I want to print here. Okay, I am learning Java. This actually print system out of print, and ln means it will create a new line. System dot out dot println. Java is object oriented programming. All right, this is how to create a file in Java, and mainly you have to create a file and save. Extension should be Java and class name should be same, and there should be a main method. Main method has a body. This is main method body, and this is the class. Okay, now save it. This is, you see, okay. Okay, and save it. Now I need to compile this file, Java compiler car, and it is now going to compile and going to create a class file. Okay, you see here is car.java and car.class, this file created. How to run this file? ls-l java car. So we can see car class file and car Java file. So we have the class file, and now we can run the Java car. Okay, and it shows the result. This is how to write a Java program and run. Now again, inside car, we don't do anything. Maybe we can create a new file, or let's say car touch add.java. I'm going to create another file. Okay, and then class e add Java our class is add. Okay, and there should be main method. Okay. I want to do a small calculation. Integer a equal to, let's say, 19. Integer b equal to 3. Integer c equal to a plus b. Integer is full number, 32-bit in Java. Now I want to print system.out value of c is this plus operator and c. It will print c semicolon. Okay, so this is using that. After this will print, then it will print this and this concatenate. Now save it. Java compiler will read this. It's reading. Okay, ls-l add. You see, we have no add class. Now write Java add. You see, the value is 22. Add. This is the program, so we are adding 19 and 3. So it is creating 22. This is how to create. Now I'm going to show statement, some control statement. Okay, touch. Let's say I'm going to create test flow dot java beam and class name. You can use any class name, is fine. Just save in the dot extension java public string. This is, as I said, I will explain later in other videos. Is the body. Now I'm going to write, let's say, integer a equal to 100, integer b equal to 50. Okay, if a then b is a condition. You can see from here b, this is a condition and syntax that you have to write this way. Okay, actually this is a syntax. Okay, if, and this is the condition, and then if body. This condition is true, then this program will execute the body of what it is here. Let's say here I am writing a is greater b, right? Greater than b, a value. Now check this condition. This condition is true, it means it will execute. If this condition is false, else, then else body will execute. A value less than b. Okay, this is the syntax. Else has a body, if has a body. All right, only it will work, if body will work when this condition is true. We can see this condition is true, 100 is greater than b, so this body will execute. Now Java compiler, compile the program. ls-l. So you see we have the class file. When you have the class file, now we can run it. Java test flow. Okay, a value is greater than b, cat test flow Java. See, this a value is greater than b, that's why this if body is executing. All right, now if you change this, to, let's say I am writing here 500. When 500, it means this statement is false. A greater than B is false. So this will not execute, it will execute. All right. Again, you have to compile test flow ls minus l. Okay. This is now run this Java and then file name. When you see a value is less than B, when you compile, you have to use javac, Java compiler, and you have to write the file name. When you run, you have to use the Java and test flow. What is Java, what javac, JDK, Java virtual machine? Slowly I will explain. At first, see how to write a program and run. This is just a summary. In Java also we need to learn what is Java class and what is object. Right? This is to review first 3 videos.